So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about ICP, provide a price prediction update in the market, because you guys can see right now on the chart that we did not do a price prediction the last time. So apparently a lot has changed. Hopefully you guys are able to capitalize off this massive move that occurred in ICP beginning of the month. Topped out around $10. If you guys saw that, if you was able to take profit, congratulations. You guys did a fantastic job if you was able to see this occur before the market actually moved in that direction. Now currently it doesn't look like it. It doesn't look like the market's going to continue to move up higher than what it did in the beginning of this month. We're currently seeing the price come down in ICP. So we're going to talk about that and then look forward to see if the price going to continue to go lower off of the recent price action. So welcome everyone to the channel. As always, hit the like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. So now let's break this down. You guys can see that initially we had a whole bunch of sell pockets here in the market in ICP, right? Whole bunch of them. And over the last couple of weeks, you guys can see that the buyers has eliminated all of these sell pockets. So we really need to clean up this chart and get rid of these sell pockets that are not applicable. So let's go ahead and do that first. So that's what I was telling you earlier. The market has done a fantastic job of cleaning up these areas that ICP was showing forth as sell pockets. The only one that I didn't get rid of is this one up here, because those buyers ultimately could not sustain the move, and buyers became sellers up there around $9.27 to $10. So that sell pocket is still real, right? So now we can add a couple of more areas of sell pockets now in ICP, namely this one, and we may add one more, which is going to be right here in ICP. So our focus on today's video is going to be right around this area. We want to see if the market's going to find some buyers, because if so, this market move down may be ending soon. So let's go ahead and let me add a buy pocket right here. I like this area. Okay, so we're just marking the territory to which if price continues to go lower, this is where we're expecting it to bounce. It may even bounce right here too. So let me add that area there too. All right, so now let's look at this on the 2 for ICP. The market currently doesn't look bullish. Just going to keep it real. You guys don't know, I keep it real on this channel. That last 2-day price bar signifies why price is still going down in ICP. Here it is on the 3. Right here on this 3-day price bar, nothing changed. Now, one of the negative things that I see on this 3-day chart is how the market was able to push up on this 3-day price bar, then immediately it came right back down. That signifies that the market buying, the greed, the demand left. It waned. It disappeared. Kapoof. Bye. Gone. That is what that represents. So this 3-day price bar could ensue even more weakness to where ICP can continue to come down and test these buy pockets. Here it is on the 4. We got 7 hours and 29 minutes left on this current 4-day bar, and we currently see the market close on the low. Okay, so that's just, I'm just showing you guys different times to where the market is still reflecting weakness. This is massively weak on the 5. This 5-day bar right there. Okay, so don't forget it. Even if we do see a small bounce off of this buy pocket initially in ICP, don't forget this 5-day bar. Don't forget it. Okay, because that is definitely some signal of weakness there. Here it is on the weekly chart. Look at that. Definitely seeing the market close on the bottom of the bar on the weekly. It's not good, but we're going to get a market pause because we still got like 7 hours and 29 minutes left before it prints. All right, look at this on the 2 weeks. Here it is on the 3. That's definitely some weakness there. And pay attention to this amount of volume that really came into ICP. Okay, look at that. This volume is so massive that since this cryptocurrency was first began trading on Binance, we haven't seen this much volume at all. This is the all-time highest volume we've seen on any 3-week period in ICP. And this is what the price bar is looking like. So yeah, somebody definitely took some profits out the market in ICP, or these people were in a very bad position and they wanted to get up off their holdings. Here it is on the 5 weeks. Okay, we got 7 hours, 28 minutes left on the 5 weeks too. And again, it just shows us that sellers came into the market. Monthly chart. There you go. All right, so here it is on the 11-hour time frame. Look, we're not seeing any indications right now that the market is about to bounce. We're not seeing it yet. This market definitely is in a downward trajectory. The market is definitely weak, and we're just simply waiting to get buyers. That's what I was telling you earlier. It's a potential for us to see market buy here. That would be my first inclination to think that we may see some life come back into the market in ICP to where the market is trying to bounce. All right. But that's just one area. We have this long substantive move down to where buyers haven't even popped in just yet. So either it's going to be here, or to me, I think it's going to be the next pocket. Here it is on the 5-hour chart. We're just trying to see if we're getting any hints, clues that buyers are attempting to support this cryptocurrency. And as of right now, you just don't see it. Even right here on these 3-hour bars, still people trying to sell. Here it is on the 1-hour chart again. So yeah, I am not convinced that this market is ready to go higher yet. All right, so we're going to anticipate lower prices in the market for ICP. We will make mention though that there is a probability of price supporting this initial buy pocket. All right, but we're going to hold our first target right there around $4.70, give or take 8.04% there. We're going to target the next buy pocket around $3.86, which is 24% move down, to $3.55, which is around 30% move to the downside in ICP. All right, now, unfortunately, given the 3 weeks and the 5 weeks and the weekly so far, we can definitely see the market run down to $2.85. Just as soon as we saw price run up in ICP, we're seeing it coming right back down just as fast. So don't forget that this is the cryptocurrency. This is the cryptocurrency markets. Anything goes. So that's it. I am finished. Let me conclude the video. And you guys can, as always, drop a comment on the video to tell me where do you guys think the market is headed. This is my thesis. This is my prediction, my forecast. And now you guys can tell me what yours is of where you think ICP is headed. Now, the only way that I will come and revamp or revise this prediction is if I see the market in ICP hold this buy pocket. If that happens, then yeah, we may need to come in and look for this market to try to go higher. But we haven't seen that yet. All right, so I'm done. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.